Welcome to Northeast Early College. My name is Jen Warren, and I'm the proud principal here at NEC. We are excited to help you learn more about the amazing opportunities for students here at NEC.
I'm really excited that I'll be getting an associate's out of this.
Not only the opportunity to earn an associate degree in partnership with Community College of Aurora, but also gain career readiness skills through our career technical education programs. Our goal is to stay nimble in what we offer as far as our CTE pathways, because we are informed by the industry. The idea is that what we offer today may not be relevant in 5 years. So every year we ground conversations in what does the industry have demands in, so that we can be nimble and be responsive with the offerings that we provide.
This is audio production. Now my perspective is shifting, I feel like I'm on a mission.
In this pathway, we look at anything that comes out of a speaker as a potential job career.
I really want to make beats.
I just feel like me whenever I'm playing guitar.
You can record, play instruments, make beats.
He's teaching you how to program music.
I think it's so unique to have this kind of access to industry standard equipment and instruments. Right out of high school, getting a job in AV, commercial install. By the time they graduate, they're not only getting an industry certificate to go and be employed, but they've also unlocked a lot of creative confidence.
It's definitely super dope.
We now decide that we're going to implement taxes. What happens? I am Dr. Catherine Jackson, and I teach concurrent enrollment business classes. How to start a business, how to grow a business, how to run a business.
I'm gonna be able to set up my business and know where to start and how to grow my business thanks to these classes.
All of our students have the ability to get an associate's degree in high school. And if you want to major in business, we also offer external classes through the community college that you can do.
It'll make college 10 times easier for me.
I think that business is good for everybody because no matter what job you have, business is a great foundation to have.
After college, I'm hoping to maybe do cosmetology, start my own business there.
So I want to show you the assembly of the robot. I teach CTE engineering. We've got the parts in the right place. We apply a lot of mathematics, a lot of physics.
I think it's catching on this.
I enjoy being able to put things together. I like the math behind all of it because it all makes sense.
Coding could sometimes be challenging, but the end result is very satisfying.
It's rewarding, honestly.
It does come with benefits like learning how to work with computers.
The main certification that we plan to offer is a certification in computer-aided design. We call it CAD.
It's going to make my life a little easier because I'm going to get into those careers that I want to get into a lot quicker. It's some sort of magic, but it's a magic that you can understand. And to me, it holds something special there.
How to do CPR. Go ahead and get into position. Checking for bleeding, life-threatening bleeding. I'm Stephen Bryant. I am the EMT pathway instructor here at Northeast Early College.
Being here is really fun. A lot of hands-on.
We're gonna have a lot of tools at your disposal to do different skills in class.
Staying alive. It's like community, like you do it with your class and like with the teacher.
The EMT pathway is a 3-year pathway that results in kids being able to get their EMT certification, which stands for Emergency Medical Technician. You're layering that wound with your gauze. This is an awesome way to learn how to provide patient care. You could even take this experience that you get from doing this and use it to help get into other medical fields. These are things that will help you for the rest of your life.
My hope is that students will find that they are capable, they are brilliant, and that they can go out and be successful. The goal is that they leave NEC equipped, confident, and ready to pursue any pathway they have in mind after they graduate.
I'm going to be proud of myself.
It would just make me and my family really proud.
I've never had this much fun in school.